Welcome back, guys, my viewers and my subscribers. Welcome back to another video. Okay, today I'm going to cook something different. Okay, guys, how is it going so far? Thank God for another day. All right. Okay, just watch the process as I go. My viewers and my subscribers, thank you again for subscribing to my videos, and tell another friend to subscribe to the Henry's videos. Okay. All right, guys. Today I'm going to cook some carrots and cabbage. I scraped my carrot already, and cabbage and corned beef. Do you eat corned beef? All right, let me know. Make a comment and let me know if you eat corned beef. I just changing up my menus now. And I'm going to cook chocho, banana, piece of white yam, and flour. Dumpling. Okay, over here I have my seasoning, tomato, sweet pepper, all of these, scallion. Okay, all right. And also add some string beans. Okay, they're falling out. So just watch the process as I go, as I'm going to wash them now. I scraped already. Oh, water is cold. And remember, guys, to give God thanks for everything. Okay. So I'm going to cut. All right, guys. It's been a while now. I don't eat corned beef. It's been a long while, guys. Over the years, I don't eat corned beef, so I'm going to try something different today. And I'm going to cut them like this. It's been a long while, guys. So over there, I have my pots getting ready. And let me know where you're watching from. Do you ever eat it? Corned beef. It's beef made from the cow. Okay. Have to be careful with the knife. And sometimes, guys, I can't manage to hold the camera while cooking or turning around. So you have to see with me. That's why most time I wash my veggies them. I wash my food before I start working. It's hard for the camera and for me to be holding. Are you okay today? Remember to give God thanks. So many things are happening out there in the world, guys. So many things are happening, and we have to be very careful. Very, very careful. String bean. So I'm going to put it in my pot. So I'm going to get my pot is all here. Turn up the fire some more. Okay. So I'm gonna let it spring its own water, and then I put a little water in it. No oil. See? Let it stay there and simmer just a little bit. As I say, I'm getting off the oil. You can put your oil in it if you want. Okay, guys. This spring its own water. And then I put some seasoning. Okay. Let's see. Just stay there. I'm going to cover and let it stay there. So I'm going to get all my seasoning ready. Getting my season all ready. This is frozen, so that's why it's so soft. Scallion. I have to frozen my scallion. That's why it's so soft. Oh, there's one more string bean here. That's okay. Okay, guys. Check on my pot over here. Yeah, it's coming up now. Tip a little water in it. Okay. Just a little bit of water. Not much, because there's a lot of water in it already. That's it. So this is my season for my pot, okay? Let it stay there for a while. All of that. See? And it doesn't take long, guys. Maybe about a 15 minutes or less. Depends on the texture of how you wanted it. Okay? Then after I'm going to put my seasoning. Can you see? Okay. Can you see, guys? It's almost there. We'll put a little pimento in it. And this side here, guys, I put a little ginger And you put whatever seasoning you want. A little Maggi, just a little. And I like to slap your mama. This has in a lot of seasoning, a lot of salt or whatever. So that's why I don't put salt in it like that. And the beef, you can see. Let me turn up the fire. Okay, I'm almost there. And you can put a little coconut milk in it if you want, guys. My viewers and my subscribers. Okay, so it's pretty. Veggies. Over here now I have my, I'm gonna put my seasoning in. And I say you can put some coconut milk in it also. And guys, today is my husband's birthday. Today is his birthday, guys. Don't tell me that I'm cooking this for him. I'm going to cook his special later on. I'm going to fry some fish for him later on. But can you wish happy birthday for my husband? Hey guys, today is his birthday. He's not here though, he's going to work. Alright, so guys, so I'm going to let it stay there and simmer. I'm not going to put any salt in it because the corned beef is already soft. Okay, so let it stay there and simmer. I'm going to open. I'm going to open my corned beef. As I say, it's like tears, I don't eat it. It's easier when I take off the paper like this. Look at this now, guys. Yes, you do it like this. Open it like this. Like this. I just feel like I would cook some. You see, a lot of oil is in it. A lot of oil, guys. So I don't use any oil in it. A lot of oil. You can see. I'm gonna put it in a container now. Just give me a second, guys. This is it. I don't even can take it out. Take it out. Garbage. Yeah, this is it, guys. My corned beef. And you have to mash it out. There you go, guys. That's my corned beef. And corned beef is made from cow. It's made from cows, guys. It's been a while. Over the years, I haven't eaten it. Let's see. See? This has a lot of oil, so I don't put any oil in it. It also has salt in it. Okay. So I'm going to let it stay there and simmer. Oh, I'm going to cut some tomato. Didn't put any tomato in it because I didn't want it to cook out. And my tomato here. So I'm going to let it stay there and simmer. Guys, too much cabbage. I cooked too much cabbage, but that's okay. I'm going to let it stay there and simmer. I could put a little water in it also. I have some water here. Sometimes you have to do something very simple. Right, guys, look at this. Guys, I don't like corned beef, but I just cook it like that. That's okay. Sometimes you just change up the menu. I don't know if it's the right brand I bought at the store, but I just buy one. So that's my corned beef with cabbage. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let it stay there and simmer. No oil, I just put a little water in it. Let it stay there. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this in it. Slap your mama. It has in black pepper and such. Yes. If you want to put black pepper in it, that's okay. You want to put coconut milk in it, that's okay. Okay, so let it stay there and simmer for the next 5 minutes, guys. All right. So, guys, this is what I'm going to cook. So I'm going to put a little salt in it. My hands already been washed, just a little salt. So I'm going to make my flour. Okay, guys. So just watch as I go. Not much food, because I have to do something special for his birthday later. Like I'm going to fry 2 fish. I'm going to buy a cake for him also for his birthday. So help me to wish him happy birthday. Okay? Guys, I'm cooking the food now. So I have my water there. This is chocho. For those who don't know chocho, this is chocho. Okay, it's very good for us. So it's chocho, dumpling, banana, and a piece of yam. Okay, guys. Okay. So I can see my pot over here. Yellow pot here, it's boiling. And guys, I put a little saltfish in it. Let me know if you ever cook it and put just a little saltfish in the pot. Okay? Alright, let it stay there and boil. Can see my pot? Okay, show you my pot. I'm gonna put some banana in also. That's it now, guys. That's my pot. With my dumpling and banana chocho. And I have a piece of yam I'm going to put in it. So that's it, guys. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. This is my finished product. Okay. I'm going to heat a little piece. It's very hot though. Let you know it is tasting good. So this is my food now. So I'm going to show you I eat my food. See? It tastes so good, guys. Mmm. Let me taste this one. It tastes so good. You can try it at home. That's my food. Mmm. Don't you? You can try it at home. Corned beef with cabbage. And guys, you can put whatever spice you want in it. Put it in put margarine in it, butter, anything at all. I can put to nice it up. Coconut milk, and you can do it that way also. So I'm just test showing you how I'm enjoying my corned beef. It's over 7, 8 years I haven't eaten corned beef. So I said, let me try it. You can see, guys. That's it. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for picking up my channel. This video is a bit lengthy, but that's how it goes sometimes. Bless up yourself every time. You can try, you can make a comment on my corned beef and cabbage. Okay? Now let me know. Make a comment, man, on my cooking. All right. Bye bye. You take care of yourself. Love you. And remember, today is my husband's birthday, so I'm asking you to pick him up for me. Give him a thumbs up, man. Pick him up. As a matter of fact, I bought 2 cakes today, so I'm going to show you the cake that I bought for him. All right, guys, these are the 2 cakes I bought for him. You know, when you're busy working, no time, so you have to just run and grab something. So these are the 2 cakes I bought for him for his birthday when he get home from work. So remember, guys, to wish him happy birthday. Bye bye. Love you guys, and you take care.